Hello foodies! Today we are cooking up a delicious and healthy meal, that is lentil Indian crepe or Moong Dal Dosa, served with two fantastic side dishes, Ginger Chutney and Tomato Chutney. First, let's make the Moong Dal Dosa batter. Soak 1 cup of Moong Dal and half cup of raw rice for 4 to 5 hours. Then blend them into dosa like batter, adding some salt. If you have time, let it ferment for 4 to 5 hours. If you are in a hurry, you can use it right away. However, fermenting is the most traditional approach. Make sure the batter is thick enough and flowy in texture, just like dosa batter. After fermenting, make dosa batter for the required consistency and heat up a pan. Grease the crepe pan with oil and spread the batter like a dosa and add chopped onion as a topping and coriander leaves if you wish. Give a time to roast the dosa on one side. No need to flip to the other side. Once the dosa is fried, take out from the pan and serve with the delicious chutneys. Now let's make the chutneys. First the tomato chutney. Heat a pan, add oil and then add 5 garlic buds and 2 ripened tomatoes, chopped ones. Give them a nice stir. Then add a few sliced onion. Fry it well. Then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a few curry leaves. Saute them for a while. When the tomato becomes soft and mashy, switch off the flame. Let the contents cool down. Take another pan, add oil, heat it, and add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and 2 red chilies, and a few curry leaves, a pinch of asafoetida or hinge, and the crushed garlic. Saute them for a while. Add a few diced onion. Saute them well until the onion becomes slight golden color. Blend our mashed tomatoes into paste and make it ready for seasoning. Now add the paste to the seasoning pan. Mix them well and saute it for 2 minutes, and then switch off the flame and you can serve it. Take a pan, heat it, and add 2 spoons of coriander seeds, 1 spoon of urad dal, 1 spoon of chana dal. Dry roast them for a while and then add around 50 grams of mirchi or chili, red chili. You can adjust them as per your spice ability, and then goes our oil. Saute them all together for a while. And then add around 50 grams of chopped ginger. Fry it well till the raw flavor from it vanishes. Then add 2 to 3 garlic cloves and give it a stir. Transfer all the fried contents into a blender jar. Add around 80 grams of jaggery powder into the blender jar and 2 spoons of tamarind paste and salt for taste, and then use only 1 cup of hot water. Please make sure it should be hot to have the chutney stay for long time. You can serve the chutney as it is or add little bit of seasoning for it by making a tadka of 1 spoon of mustard seeds, 1 spoon of cumin seed, few curry leaves and 2 red chilies. Saute them in a pan with 2 spoons of oil and then transfer the blend chutney into the seasoning pan. Just give a stir for a while and then switch off the flame. Let it cool down and then you can serve with any other breakfast recipes. This ginger chutney is a immune booster, especially in winters. It balances the body temperature So try to make it at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Thank you. Happy cooking.